Hey guys, Levi here. I cut all my hair off.
I had my hair up for once in my life.
Yeah, it's weird.
I haven't had my hair up in 3 years.
No, because you had it up when you went over to my house.
No.
You had it up. You had it up, but it wasn't even in a ponytail. It was more in a knot.
I just flipped it up. I literally just clipped it.
But yeah, I cut all my hair off, and I'm probably gonna post videos with me with long hair, well, longer hair, because I still have like 5 on my tongue.
I still got a lot of it.
Yeah.
I can't see anything because my shoe bangs. I love I only
Dude, bangs are over the eye of your blindness.
No, this side. This side, my bangs are as long as my old hair. Okay, this is how long my hair was before I grew. My bangs used to be here.
Yeah, I know. Didn't they cut your bangs wrong though? They cut them too short.
Why is there a pizza wrapper out here?
Ugh. Later.
Maybe the wind. Hang it up somewhere as a flag.
So we know what past it is.
It's our flag. It died. Now we have to burn it. Hello, fire. Sorry. I kicked it out. There's just internet out here.
Yeah, because of Transy Wi-Fi.
Hey, this is what my mobile hotspot is called. It's called Transy Wi-Fi.
Oh, we're nerds.
Because I got bored. At first, I didn't name it Claude for some reason.
Claude killed you.
And then I did suicide. Kill me. Killed me. Claude killed me. I came back alive in your Ciel's body, which still sounds very wrong.
Yeah, and then you tried committing suicide.
And then I committed suicide and turned into a reaper.
Yeah, Hannah, and now you're hanging out with Hannah because Hannah has the soul of your little brother.
Which is bad. Very, very. I have 3 little brothers. 3 real little brothers.
I have 2 older sisters.
I get to hide from my brothers.
All of my cousins were playing a board game, and they were just like, Liz, come play a board game with us. And I'm just like,
That's too childish.
no, I want to sit over here and play Screamo.
I was listening to Skrillex and I got bored. Is it completely frozen?
They walked across it. I mean, I'll make it. Well, we're gonna take them to the portal.
Probably not.
Too far back. My shoes are waterproof.
It is closer.
Uh-huh. I swear it's the monster house. It's like a weeping angel. Every time we look away from it, it gets closer.
What? Doesn't it get closer daily?
No, I think we just walk closer to it. That's probably more right.
Everything.
Why didn't we think of that?
We're blonde. We're not supposed to think. Oh.
You stopped and I got confused. Wandering around in the woods. We randomly wander around in the woods. Oh, how come you're not even hunting for Pokemon?
There are no Pokemon over here. I swear there aren't.
Oh. What?
Hey, look. I'll test it.
You'll test it? Yeah. She's the one who tests the ice.
But she weighs 98 pounds, 95 pounds. I don't even know.
She weighs less than 100. It's still breaking under her.
What is that?
That's his favor. I want to go look at it. Let's go.
Daily, come here. There's paper on a tree. This can't go wrong at all.
I hope it's... Oh, God. I hope it's one of Sally's drawings.
This can't go wrong at all. Ow, I ran into a tree.
Oh, even on our property?
Yeah, we're on the right property. We're okay.
Okay, I think it's just a sign.
It is. Okay, we're good.
I want to go look at it, though.
Tiny footprints everywhere.
I know. I think they're Ben's.
Wow, we used to up for once.
No.
I'm sinking through snow and it's awful.
When here.
What
I've
is
never
Birch
seen it
Post
before.
Cottage. Me either.
They live
This is Birch Post Cottage.
unless we walked really far.
Not even half a mile. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna go down here.
I'm gonna follow Rebel.
I don't go that far into the woods. Not until it's not cloudy and almost sunset.
Yeah, we'll go into the woods in the morning because that's when the creepypastas are leaving.
Wow, I love how you keep returning everything to that when you have a paranoid person that doesn't sleep if she hears one single footstep in her house.
Oh, and then there's me who watches Happy Tree Friends and horror movies to fall asleep.
I did not trespass while playing this. Okay. There are no Pokemon around here, so.
There's just a random mailbox.
There's 2 cars. Alright, let's go. Out that way.
We're going this way.
The house is just on that.
Yeah, the house is literally right there. Everyone on the internet thinks Michiganders are crazy.
My hat won't stay on.
I mean, Kenzie had to convince me to put shoes on.
And then I didn't wear shoes.
And then her feet got cold.
And then I felt like they were falling off of me.
So she wouldn't put shoes on.
So perfect. I hate you, weather. I'm gonna kill you once I
I
get
thought we were going back to school Wednesday. Apparently we're going back Tuesday.
Yeah, we're going back Tuesday. We usually get out the 5th, but this year we're getting out the 3rd.
Yeah, we're going back the 3rd instead of
Hey,
the
why don't we
Tuesday.
walk
Weird.
across this? So that we don't have to go far.
Can I stay here? Continues walking over here. Ken! Look how deep this snow is. I made a good choice.
I'm failing horribly. I'm too short to do this. Let's throw on my boot. I made it!
Good job. There's still back there.
Where did the cars go?
Oh crap, are we hallucinating?
Over there.
It looks like there's a person up there. Let me zoom in. I already zoomed in. No, I think it's a mailbox. Or maybe the sign.
Figure?
Oh yeah.
I have one blind eye.
My camera screen's fogging up.
Oh, great. Oh, yeah. You want to see my flashlight? Oh, wow. Okay, then. I guess I want it to be on camera. I want you to be on.
No, I need to zoom back out. Oh, well, let me zoom out.
You know what you saw me?
What?
Me and Daly playing the game to play. There's another paver! Sign thing!
It's probably
Probably. The other one said welcome to,
Post Cottage? Birch Cottage?
Birch Post Cottage thing.
But that's never been there before.
No.
We wander around those woods a lot.
And that's her, uncle's place.
And
And
his uncle's.
must be new. He's not there. He's in Florida.
I swear to God, there was a car down there and it just disappeared.
There's one down there too. I don't like this. I will put my defenses up!
Okay, it's still there.
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying there was a hill there.
Oh, we're just walking around like this. I wonder if there's Pokemon in the yard. I have Pokemon cards, two Pokemon posters. I've watched Pokemon Sun and Moon, playing the other Pokemon games, just because.
The only awesome Pokemon games are the ones for Game Boy.
I don't care, but those are Pokemon.
I love Game Boy games.
I hate all the footprints that are out here. They're so much harder.
They're mostly...
Look at My feet are like 6 times smaller. These are like 8s. My feet are 6s.
Look at my dad.
Probably.
Really? Your dad has almost the same size feet as me.
That's bad. Mine are tiny. I wear 6s though. Can't judge me for that.
Alright. We are going to go now. Goodbye.